Is it all short-term? Do you have long-term here at all?
We do not really do long-term. I'd say our average length of stay is about 2.5 days.
2.5 days.
Yes.
Yeah. I live in a hotel.
I know.
So, oh, you do?
Yeah.
You know that?
I heard that, yes.
I do. So I live in a hotel that has short-term. So people come in for the weekend. And then there's those that come in for long-term, like 3 months.
Okay.
And then there's us who live there. So it's so interesting because people come with their bag for 2 days.
Yes.
And then we're there living and we get
Love
into
it.
a hotel, into the elevator, and we're like, so what did you do? Well, how's work and how's it? And they're like, this is very weird. You know what I
You're
mean?
freaking them out.
We are.
Don't freak my
And it's
guests
like-
out here.
It's like, do you live here?
I
It's
love
like,
it.
we do.
Actually, we do.
Yeah. So did the hotel come after the program?
It did.
So
This program has been in place on campus since 1976. It's evolved over the course of years. This hotel was built in 2010. And that's when everything came under one roof. So the students, the classes, everything was under one roof. And then we renovated, not knowing we were going into COVID, so it was perfect timing. So we had a whole construction crew here during COVID, and when we came out, we had a fully renovated hotel. So yeah, it was great.
I bet that was like, wow.
It was wow.
Who would have thunk?
I tried to take the credit for it, but they didn't let me.
Come on, take
I
it.
know, right?
We have 2 great labs. So we have this beautiful lab. There's a whole nother lab on the other side. So we can do 2 different classes at the same time. It's fantastic. We take people and they do through rotations. So they go through different areas, do different rotations. They learn sauces. They learn the different ways of cooking and cutting and that sort of thing. So they go through the different areas to learn. And part of that is the hospitality piece too. So you got to go to the front of the house, learn how to run the front desk, learn how to cook food in the class act. And by the way, let's go up and we'll put you in the college and we'll do a little bit of classroom up at the college too and teach you how to cook in that beautiful facility up there as well.
Are the culinarians kind of like, but I'm in front of the house, no.
Well, I mean, I kind of looked at it. My chef told me chefs do more dishes than dishwashers do. So
there you go.
As a chef, I think anymore, you really have to be fully aware of everything that you're doing. As you're putting things together, as I tell every cook as I'm going through, treat every ingredient with the greatest respect. So what do we need to do with that ingredient to make it its best? And so each preparation, it may change. As with us, we have asparagus. For us here, we grilled it. Sometimes you want to blanch it. Sometimes you want to leave it raw. But the thought being is that if we want to create the salad, the important thing is to think of each ingredient and how each of those flavors, you're going to develop those flavors to create the ultimate dish. And obviously, they all have to flow and blend together.
Sure.
So with us, instead of just having things plain, we've actually done things to it. So our asparagus, we actually grill. We blanch and grill it. It's very, very tasty. But our broccoli, we actually roast it. So we want a little of that earthy, that roasty,
that roast flavor
feeling to it, right? So again, you have the 2 offset, and then this is actually fennel that we've caramelized. Fennel has that licorice kind of taste to it, right? But when you caramelize it, it becomes very, very sweet. It just changes the whole flavor and texture of it. Farro is it's one of those ancient grains. It's from Mesopotamia, over 20,000 years old.
Yeah.
Super healthy for you. Again, this we treat with a very basic vegetable stock. Obviously with pepitas, sun-dried tomatoes, radishes. These are actually Parmesan crisps. So if you take Parmesan like on a flat like griddle, you pile the Parmesan up and it crisps perfectly. You can take it right off. It turns right into croutons.
And it's delicious.
And it's absolutely delicious. When you cook a hamburger, you salt. Now, the thing is people tend to not salt their meat enough in their hamburgers. You got to put a decent amount of salt on the hamburger itself. On both sides, especially something that's this thick, it's going to take a little bit of time. It definitely needs to have all that flavor. So a couple things that are most important as you're cooking burgers. Again, get a nice salt on it. Get a nice hot spot on our grill. Same with this one. And when we put it down, we're going to allow the initial minute or so for it to cook. And then after that minute or so, we're going to turn it 90 degrees. And what that's going to give is your nice cross marks. And we only do that once, and since it's a fresh product, we only flip it once. Okay, so we want to cook it halfway through on this side, and then the halfway through on the other side. So that's very, very important. I would use a thermocouple to temperatures on something this big to make sure that you don't mistake it. But again, the normal way of thumb is if you do it by feel, this is more for a steak. This is rare, because obviously this is flesh. If you put it to this one, this is medium rare. 2 is medium. 3 is medium well, and this is well. Beautiful.
And these are off the Class Act restaurant menu.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep. So they did a really good job trying to recreate the Class Act menu. I think they did good. Obviously, we would serve this with French fries and other things.
You have to.
Yes, of course.
There
but
you go.
It is very delicious.
Gorgeous ribeye.
Yep.
Yeah. There's
So-
nothing like Bernays butter.
I'm telling you, it's
Come on.
great. I'm a Bernays sauce fan, but the
Yeah, me too.
Bernays butter is right on
Yeah.
with it. So super flavorful, adds so much to it. So very, very tasty.
Good job. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
You guys are awesome.
Good. Thanks. Thanks for talking to me.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
You did a great job.
Appreciate it. Yep.